Hello, today I'm going to talk about acid rain and its effects. So, first we have to understand how acid rain happens. We have a lot many factories, power plants and vehicles burning fossil fuels every day and emitting poisonous gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur trioxide etc. in the air. Now, when it rains, these gases react with water and oxygen and produces various acids like nitrous acid, HNO2, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfurous acid, H2SO3. These acids comes down to Earth's surface through rain and causes many damage. It damages wildlife, trees, historical buildings, water ecosystems, and corrosion of iron structures. Trees get destroyed because of acid rain seeping into the ground and dissolve nutrients like magnesium and calcium, which helps the tree's health. Acid rain also makes aluminum to be released into the soil, which makes it difficult for trees to take up water. Historical buildings such as the Taj Mahal's color is getting darker because of acid rain as it is made of marble. Water ecosystems get destroyed as the acidic rainwater can leach aluminum from soil clay particles and then flow in streams and lakes. The acidic particles corrodes metal and cause paint and stone to deteriorate quickly. Hope you all enjoyed today's video and make sure to like, subscribe and share my channel. I will be coming with lots of more videos and experiments. Till then, bye.